Hi, this video shows you how to make hoso-maki or small roll sushi. To make cucumber hoso-maki, we use a half of a nori seaweed sheet, 75 grams of vinegared rice, 1/8 of a small cucumber which is quartered lengthwise, deseeded and halved again, and some toasted sesame seeds. We use seaweed sheet and rolling mat included in Yarubei Sushi Making Kit. Weigh out 75 grams of vinegared rice. Wet your hands and grab some rice. Form the rice into a cylinder and put it onto the scale. You can memorize the shape of the rice so you can get an accurate amount of rice quickly next time. Put the halved nori sheet onto the rolling mat. Make sure the smooth side of the nori sheet is facing down. Wet your hands and put the weighed rice onto the nori sheet. Firstly, put the rice horizontally at the center of the nori sheet. Then spread it towards the top and the bottom. Make sure the rice covers to the very end of both sides of the sheet and to the bottom, but leave 1.5 cm space at the top. Make the thickness of the rice roughly even, but take care not to mash it. Align the bottom of the nori sheet with the bottom of the rolling mat. Now put the cucumber onto the center of the rice horizontally. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds. To roll, pick up the bottom of the rolling mat together with the nori sheet with both hands, index fingers and thumbs. With middle fingers holding the cucumber in place, raise the end of the rolling mat and bring it up to the top end of the rice. Press the rolling mat evenly so that the sushi roll becomes a square cylinder shape. Then pick up the end of the rolling mat and roll it for a quarter rotation to close the nori sheet. Press the sushi evenly with the rolling mat. If some rice is sticking out from the side, push it back into the sushi. Now we cut the sushi into 6. Wet the knife with water. Firstly, cut the sushi in half. Put the two cut pieces together alongside each other and cut them into 3. Now serve the hoso-maki and enjoy.